even today and yesterday, admittedly. And you can see that cloud falling down from the northwest. Not quite the right direction just yet. Most of it's bone dry cloud because we're in the middle of this anticyclone. It's not quite strong enough though to prevent these Atlantic fronts breaking through, and we've got this warm front that was sitting over Scotland all day yesterday has introduced enough moisture today as temperatures rise to allow a few showers. Very few, but in the Welsh Marches this afternoon, as temperatures hit the middle 20s, they'll go up, these showers. There's more cloud around the north of Northern Ireland, western Scotland. This is actually a pall, a very low cloud, almost sea fog that's going to drift around for a couple of days down through the Irish Sea. Some holes in the cloud in Highland Scotland. It's not quite as cloudy as yesterday, though you can't see much difference, I know. Then the other line of afternoon showers today, and they are rare, admittedly, is down the eastern side of the Pennines, down towards the English home counties. Now, there's no real prevailing breeze today, as you can see, so it's sea breezes we're talking about today as well. These showers this afternoon could briefly turn heavy or even thundery, but they're going to be a fairly rare event, and they disappear south this evening and overnight. Another dry night, and here's the invading mist or fog down through the Isle of Man across Northern Ireland for a murky start tomorrow morning. Fairly mild night though, particularly in London, but it's about a degree more than last night for most other places. So Monday starts grey because we're still sitting in the middle of this anticyclone with no wind to move anything. So we require the sun to burn off any cloud. Notice the high is slipping down the North Sea, which means that the breeze, very light though it is, more or less from the south now. The right direction for summer, of course. A scattering of very light showers tomorrow. Good deal of cloud, admittedly, but actually the sun will get in underneath it and burn it off, and it'll be quite a warm day again for most. Coast will be cooler because of sea breezes, but 22 in Glasgow, 23 or more in South Wales, just for an example. Now, for the whole week, pressure remains high. The centre of the high drifts around, but it's never particularly high. It's never high enough to stop the Atlantic incursions every now and again. Now, Tuesday looks like a day where it'll be above 20 all the way to northern Scotland. Nice warm day, nice little bit of cloud. But breaking through late on Tuesday and during Wednesday is that weak cold front that introduces cloud and the potential for one or two showers, really only one or two. It's just a disappointment in that it puts more cloud into the atmosphere. So Wednesday is a day where a good part of England and Wales could be disappointing in that the sky will be white. But otherwise, it's warm sunshine. It's almost from north to south once more. On Thursday, the front we can forget about. The high is still around and is drifting around the North Sea. So, in fact, it's starting to introduce a breeze up the east coast of England and Scotland. So inland it gets very hot and humid by the end of the week, but the east coast of England and Scotland could be disappointingly cool and cloudy. Still, it's summer.